Does your Netflix work perfectly on mobile data but stops working when you connect to Wi-Fi on your iPhone? This usually happens because of router settings, DNS problems, or a software glitch preventing Netflix from loading on Wi-Fi. Here's how you fix it. Solution 1. Make sure Wi-Fi is not disabled for Netflix. Open your Netflix app, tap your profile, go to My Netflix. Now tap the three-line icon in the top right corner. Tap App Settings. After that, tap on Cellular Data Usage. Make sure it's set to Automatic. Then go back. Toggle on Wi-Fi only under Downloads. Solution 2. Restart Wi-Fi and iPhone. Swipe down from the top of your iPhone. Turn off Wi-Fi from the Control Center. After that, restart your iPhone. Meanwhile, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in. Now reconnect to Wi-Fi on your iPhone by turning it on. Open Netflix and check if it works. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, find and tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your passcode and confirm. Your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN settings will reset. But this fixes almost every network issue. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and try Netflix again. Hopefully, your problem is fixed now.